I'm going to film you. You're going to walk us through it.
Oh. Here's our spider web. Ah! What are you doing down here? Sorry about that. That was just a spider. Ah! Go ahead. I'll be right there. Okay, let's go.
The kids all got glow-in-the-dark bracelets when they came in, and goodie bags right when they walked into the garage.
These are and here's the goodie bag.
It's okay, go.
Well, it's not here, so.
And it was a lot darker in here, but we turned on all the lights. They got goodies there.
And there's the eyeballs. Don't worry, they know it. Here's the candy bucket.
Okay, honey, we gotta do that. We gotta kind of just walk through
It's
this.
filled with 200 jewels. And here's the free scary pumpkins. Here's the monsters.
So we walk by, we go around.
Here's the monsters. Hey Jeff, hey Frank, hey Frankie, hey Frankie. They're all next to me. Here's our boneyard. Here's our boneyard. Yo, 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 yo. Boing. Ow! Boing. Ow. Okay, let's get it. Here's the boneyard king. Dr. Doofenshmirtz. Well, on a doctor's school. And here's our evil physician. Here's the floating guy, skeleton of doom. Give me your soul.
Okay.
Here's a treasure chest.
Don't open it, honey. It's okay.
Here's a treasure chest of hands sticking out. Here's calling in.
Okay. Keep it going.
Here's more of our boneyard. Here's the pumpkin patch. Look. Here's another candy bucket. And here's the angry thing of skull. And here's our Superman. And here's little red Blacking Hood. Now this is
Crazy
and
monkey.
here's Crazy Monkey.
And then your stuffed animals with a mask.
And there's the schools.
Yeah.
And here's our stuffed animals dressed with masks. And that is pretty much all. Let's go into the future. We're in the future now. So I hope you had a good time looking at